Does your Audi have fog lights but you don't know how to switch them on or off? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to switch the front and rear fog lights on your Audi on and off. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Start the engine of your Audi and go to the light switch on the left side behind the steering wheel. Turn the light switch all the way to the right to this symbol. To activate only the front fog lights, you need to pull the button out to the first position. The front fog lights are now activated. Would you like to switch on the front and rear fog lights? Pull the button all the way out. You will now see that the front and rear fog lights are activated. Have you arrived at your arrival destination? Don't forget to turn off the fog lights again so that the battery of your Audi will not be drained. Press the button all the way in and switch the light button back to the auto or off option. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.